Ang sarap.
Paano lagot? Paano lagot? Ano? Lagot. Tapos ang suka. Aray ko. Aray ko. Aray ko sila. Aray ko. Aray ko. Aray ko. Papa. Tapos ang suka. Aray. Aba. Aba. Aray ko namimingot po. Aray ko. Dalabuso. Aray. Aray. Ble. Ble. Ano ble? Ble. Flying kiss na lang. Flying kiss. Ah, sarap. Ah, sarap. Paano ble? Sino lagot? Sino lagot? Lagot. Lagut. Lagut. Palo. Lagut. Palo. 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 Apa na kabuelo pa oh. Tinok ka. Parang ilong lang. Lang. Ay ko. Oh, nanggigigil ka na naman. Nanggigigil ka. Ay kinukuha. Ano kinukuha mo? Ito mo naman. Ay ito ka nga. Pag mo.
Ano yan?
Rexona. Yes.
I would say exactly a long time.
Oh, but George and I want to do some dancing. I know what we can do. We can watch some television. Oh, it won't go on.
The TV needs electricity too.
Does it?
Yes.
Oh, now what are we going to do?
In the olden days, when there was no television, children would have to make up their own games.
I know. I need a cardboard box.
What is Peppa doing?
Mummy, will you cut a hole in this box for me? You'll see.
Mummy Pig is cutting a hole in the cardboard box.
There.
Thanks. Now you'll have to sit down there. And George, you have to put No. Look, Grandpa.
I'll be that handsome prince.
What's that?
Make shadow puppets. Mummy Pig is using her hands to make a shadow puppet.
It's a birdie.
Listen to it sing. Tweet, tweet, I'm a little birdie. F. Flower.
Baby shark, quick,
Uy! Ay.